Hey everybody!
Hey everybody!
Today's unboxing, we're unboxing Hatchimals Mystery. It says, who will you unhatch? Wait, who will you hatch? And this is another great present for my sister. It says, Hatchimal Mystery, the fluffiest flyers. Cloud Cove is so soft, sitting high in the sky, making us fluffy as we twirl, laugh, and fly. I learned your name, it says. So we're gonna go ahead and get the tape off, and we're gonna take out this egg and see what we're gonna hatch, huh? So here's our egg. We just pulled it out. I guess we have to take it out of the shell here. And then we have a little bit of instructions. We'll check that out. It looks like we have to pull these key things out, and then we get to start. Right, Dylan?
Yeah.
So we have to say hi to him. Oh, look! Look! Look at him! You see his eyes? I think that was his eyes. What is he saying?
I don't know.
Oh, the eyes change the colors.
Yeah.
Is it eyes? What is he saying? Oh, it's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
He's like, gonna come out.
Is he scared?
I guess he has.
So we have to bet. Oh, look, he's blinking. His eyes are blinking.
Yeah.
What does that mean? Is there instructions?
Don't keep rubbing it.
There was instructions. I don't know where they went.
He's gonna start hatching.
I just
He's
saw it.
gonna start hatching.
Where'd the instructions go? Oh, did you lose the instructions?
Oh.
Whoa.
Oh! It's doing something again. Do you have to rub it?
Yeah, just rub it.
Let's rub it. You gonna rub it? Rub it with both hands. What does the blinking mean?
I don't know.
There's a.
Mommy?
Yep.
Mom, what's that blinking mean?
Does it sound like he's happy, or does it sound like he's crying?
It seems like he's happy.
So we do have an instruction booklet, it looks like. But right now he's making noises, and we're seeing a lot of different blinking going on on the egg, right?
Yeah.
Where was the key lock? Does that start it? Yeah. It says dispose of them.
Yeah, it says to get rid of them. Oh, wait.
It's green.
The top, the base, the bottom, and the hole.
Colors?
Tilt the egg upside down and to play with me. Tap the egg. Tap the egg, and I will tap back.
Oh, tap it though. Tap it.
I can hear you tap when I am quiet.
Listen, he's tapping.
Whoa.
Whoop.
Whoa.
Hold and rub the bottom of the egg to hear my heartbeat and warm me up.
Weird, huh?
Pick them up and hold the bottom. No, hold on the very bottom. Put both your hands on the bottom.
Hold that.
Yeah.
Rub it.
Put both your hands on the bottom. Like this. No, don't do anything yet. This is if you put your hands on the bottom.
Just rub it.
Hold and rub the bottom of the egg. Oh.
Is there a heartbeat? He's talking. Careful, don't break it.
Now what you do? Hold the bottom. Always hold the bottom of my egg. Oh. What is he saying? You hear him? You have to hold the bottom. Always hold him on the bottom with one hand. And on the other hand, you can rub him. So look at his eyes. Are those his eyes, you think?
Yeah. How are we yeah.
Rainbow eyes appear when I'm ready to hatch.
It's something.
Oh, you got back in.
Oh, watch. Go 1, 2, 3. He's the same amount that he does it. If you go, just go 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
What if I rub them like this? Oh, look at the rainbow color. Does that mean he's gonna hatch?
Yeah.
Are you supposed to hatch it yourself, or is he hatching on his own?
I think we're supposed to hatch it ourselves. I think we're supposed to hatch it ourselves.
When my egg starts flashing rainbow eyes, it means I'm ready to hatch. Don't worry, I cannot hatch without you being there. Rub the bottom to encourage me to start pecking. My egg will flash. My egg will flash white while I'm pecking.
How long does it take?
When I stop pecking, my eyes will flash rainbow. I don't think those are. Oh, there we go. No, they're not red. They're not rainbow. They're. Is it pecking still?
Maybe. It's pecking still.
It's not even pecking yet. I have to put this down.
Yeah. It's gonna make music! It's making music!
Oh!
It was making music.
Now it's rainbow.
It's gonna hatch. Don't touch it, don't touch it.
Are you sure he's not going to the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna hatch.
Here it goes! Here it goes! Oh! Oh, look!
Just touch the hole.
It's pecking!
Yeah, look at it. Oh, it pricked the hole.
Is it pecking on the other side? It's pecking on the other. It's pecking all around.
Yeah. I think
pecking over there?
that's somebody.
It's hatching!
It's hatching.
It's pecking another hole!
Yeah.
What the?
What the?
Because
The baby wants to come out, huh?
Yeah.
come out and see you.
Who's in there?
I don't know.
Its little beak!
I saw
Yeah.
something.
I saw his.
Do you see its little beak?
Yeah, I did.
It's happening.
Come on out!
Come on out.
What happened?
He stopped. He's tired. Huh?
Where is he? He made lots of holes.
Yeah.
Oh, come on out!
Come on out. Come on out. Come on out. Where is he?
You want to see what he's doing? He's saying anything?
Where is he?
This baby talks still.
Oh, there he goes again.
Here he goes again.
Another one! He's gonna come out this time, maybe.
Yeah.
So,
We had to help him hatch, didn't we?
see.
You see his beak?
Blue.
Yeah, his little beak! Oh!
There it is. I see.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh.
Oh!
His beak again. His beak again.
Is he gonna get out?
And his beak again. His beak again.
He's gonna come out of there, do we?
Me either.
Are you see the baby hatching?
Yeah, you're supposed to throw it.
Oh, look, he's turning colors.
Yeah.
He's ready to pop the top off.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, he's so tired from doing all that, huh?
Yeah.
There you go. The
I got his beak.
Oh, he poked on that side.
His beak. His beak again. Beak again.
Is he gonna make it out?
His beak again. Oh.
What do you think's in there, Dylan?
Don't touch him, he might bite you.
No.
Auntie Carrie's getting another pet for Christmas. Yeah.
Who's in there?
It's cracking. It's cracking it open.
Who's in there?
Oh, it's gonna crack out the whole line.
And then we're gonna have to help him out after.
Is that what it says?
Who's in there? Oh, his beak again.
Almost got a line out. He's still got a little ways to go.
Took a long time to hatch, huh?
Yeah.
She said,
Oh, he looks really fluffy in there.
Yeah.
oh, you want me to sit on my lap?
You already seeing this?
Yeah.
Whoa, he's spitting out shells.
Yeah. Think out
Think
shell.
he's gonna make it?
I think so. Oh, he's shooting back.
He's
Yeah,
really
well.
wow, huh?
Yeah, he's making a big line.
Yeah.
Oh, I saw his beak.
Me again. I saw his beak too.
Oh, I see two of them.
That's kind of neat.
Me too. Me too. Me too.
Really
Again.
cracking.
He's really cracking.
He's all cracked up.
Almost out. Almost down.
I see purple.
Yeah.
I think he's purple. I see purple fur.
Uh-oh, we need a little more help?
Maybe.
Yeah. This is exciting,
Oh,
right
big
now.
Yeah.
Oh, bigger one.
That was a big one. Oh,
Ooh.
human.
Ooh. 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 Ooh.
Can you see his beak?
Ooh.
He's gonna need one more rub after that.
Ooh. 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 Ooh.
It's taking a lot of work for him to do it, though, huh?
Yeah, he wants to come out, huh?
Yeah. Ooh.
He's purple.
Ooh. Ooh. Whoa.
Oh, I see yellow.
Is he yellow?
Yeah, fur.
When I have picked away enough of my egg, I am
Oh.
ready to be pulled out.
Looks like she wants
Remove the top of my egg and break away the extra pieces of the shell that might block my way. Apparently, once he hatches, he sings happy birthday.
Oh yeah, I do see yellow too.
Whoa!
I see yellow and purple.
She's pretty close.
Okay, after he stops pecking, we're gonna try and get the top off, okay? got him out. Here he is. Is he gonna sing happy birthday?
Maybe.
I don't know.
He's got his ears on.
Now what do we do?
Supposed to sing.
Yeah, I thought he was supposed to sing happy birthday. I don't know. I think, what is he? Purple means he wants to eat. Okay, we're teaching him to fly now. He's already a toddler already. Green means he's sick. So yeah, overall they're actually pretty cute. There's a lot of work behind them. They're almost like a real baby. But you have to teach them how to fly and walk and talk. But that's kind of all I have for you today. We'll get into more stuff with them in another video. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.